Hey everybody, long time no see. The chainsaw demo for the RE4 Remake is out, and I think it's time to play it. I'm pretty excited because I really liked RE4 when it came out. I played all of the Resident Evil games. I was a big fan, really, until 6 came out. We don't have to talk about that.
Okay, now pull the lever on the right-hand side.
Okay.
What? I did it correctly!
That doesn't look correct to me.
What? I don't have my big collection to show off here because I moved to Japan. All my stuff's back at home, but I still have some of this crap that I picked up over here, like that one. I got the Gun Survivor with the gun con that actually works correctly because Japan. I got my 50-cent copy of Biohazard 3 that has one scratch on it. Too bad. I guess I consent. I don't know what I just consented to. The only thing I've seen of this game is the trailer. I've completely avoided all social media since it came out. I mean, it's a remake. I've heard that's basically the same as the other one. I mean, I don't know. Let me get a little bit of my Mitsuya Peach soda while we wait.
September the training. Punishing missions. Nearly killed me.
Oh, it's that guy.
At least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain. Even for a second. This time, it can be different.
Is this about how Leon's an alcoholic? I don't know what the quality setting's gonna look like. I'm running an RTX 2060 that's extremely loud, and you'll probably hear it when the game actually starts up. Okay. Oh, already got like a weird little flicker. Okay. Wow. Extremely high level of detail. Ooh, it's gonna be good. Alright. We're jumping in. Is there a Poochie nearby? There's a statue of some kind. Pumpkinhead, I guess. Let's see.
How far could he have gone?
Yeah. Where is Poochie? Shut up, birds. What in God's name is this shit? Oh, it's a deer, I think. Okay. Okay, moving on. Moving on. Wait, what? Push E to crouch? Ooh. Oh, this looks so good. I remember playing the original game for the very first time. I think I got it on release day in 2005. I would have been 16 or 17 years old. A long time ago. Okay. Let's F this.
Anyone home?
Spookular. Oh.
Sorry to barge in like this.
Why don't Leon know Spanish?
Busco a un policía.
Oh no, somebody got paint on this. Oh, well, we know one thing. These guys don't have dentists.
Good.
It's not great. What do we got over here? Goop soup?
Man, that stinks.
Ugh. Bro. Goop soup. This place looks like it smells great. Oh, great. Some sticks or some shit. Jesus, man. Would it have killed you to sweep up a little bit? There we go. Let's use this one. I have to say the tonal shift from the earlier games to this game is not as shocking as it was in the original. I mean, the original really was amazing. Like the over-the-shoulder camera and the graphics were so incredible, but this kind of looks like it fits in with the world a little more. I mean, so far. So we're probably going to go back out, and then that guy's going to be not dead, right? His badge is upside down. His badge is right side up. And my eyes are upside down. Creepy, creepy. Fuck off. Ah, God. Sorry. Not sorry, though, I guess.
This just keeps getting worse.
Ugh. He sat down in like a real creepy way. Are you dead? ¿Está bien? ¿Cómo estás? Is there sneaking in this game? You're ¿Estás aquí? Did they lock the fucking door? Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! I only got 6 bullets. See ice? Oh, just like in the original, where I have to go up and then jump out the window. Huh. Oh no, it's a lady. Are we gonna see Honeygan?
Route on a nearby lake.
Lago.
She may have been taken there.
Copy that.
Texture
I'll see
really
what I can find.
took a second there, didn't it?
Hurry up. I'll let myself out.
Run, Leo! We got the one-liners. Maybe he uses comedy to deal with his pain. Bye. Ah, my allergies. What? Did I not just hear somebody? F R W W W W W shift. Oh. Oh. Gunpowder. Are we gonna craft bullets in this game too? No. Okay. I see Birdo. Doggo! Are you okay? Oh. Why would they do this? That's not cool. Oh, cool truck. The fuck is he stuck in a fucking tree or something? No! No! Ugh. Oh shit! Oh, it's F. What is F? Everything's F. Oh wow, this is harder than I remember. I'm pretty sure I played. Pretty sure I played the original on the keyboard here, but. I didn't care about that at all. His neck is broken. I'm just like punching him with a knife. Get fucked, idiot. Give me your truck. I can save it. Oh my god, no! Just like Poochie.
Damn it.
I didn't even try to. Oh, we have quick turnaround. I don't even know what the inventory button. Oh, it's I. Of course, it's fucking I. I sneak. Ah! Ooh, that really feels powerful. That's good. Fuck. Motherfucking shit. Fuck. Ooh. Okay, let's go. Wow, I don't even want to run through here. Look how beautiful this is. This is so nice. It's too bad about all the murder. Fuck was that? Was that a head? I'm very upset. Oh. Look at this place. Wow, it looks so much more real and lived in. Oh, it's awesome. Oh, look at that chicken. He's just fucking begging for it. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Shit. Let's see who was dead before they burned him. No. Oh. Ooh. 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 This is retained. Okay. Let me just scooch my little butt over this way. Don't mind me. Just gonna walk over here now. Alright. What the fuck's that guy doing? I mean, I guess everybody's got a hobby. I need to get into this house. I would prefer if nobody noticed. Will they notice me if I break stuff? If I make noise, will she flip around and freak out and try to stab me with that? Let's find out. Wait. Can I just open it? Oh. She didn't know shit. Oh god, pesetas. Give me that dinero. So spooky, so spooky, so spooky, so spooky. Can I get through here without being spotted? Probably not. Fuck. Which way do I go? Continue getting your weird buckets of green goop. Oh, there's quite a few of them over here. Ah!
Here we go.
Oh god, I keep pushing space to vault. That's not how you vault. Fuck you, Grandpa. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Crap. Is this shoot gun? Oh, yes, shoot gun. W870. Ah. Ah, I keep pushing space. Whee! Oh shit. Oh my god, they can hit you. There's no invincibility frames there. Oh god. Let's do that, I guess. Ah, that's the same sound. That's a nice sound. Let's pick this one. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Let's run. Let's run. Run, Rudolph. Oh, there's more. Let's run this way. Let's try this way. Let's go this way. I'm sure it's safe. Can I still do this? Can you do a little faster, please? Is this going to be another die in the demo moment? Ah! Alright, well, I didn't expect that. Cool. Wait a second. Uh-huh. I keep trying to, like, dodge them. I don't know why I'm hitting this button to dodge. Holy shit, this is fucking awesome. Oh my god. I need, like, a fucking beat. I need some fucking music. Shit. Aw, damn it! They're fucking everywhere. Oh my god. Ah, this old chestnut.
Present for you.
Ooh, the one-liners. It's just a little bit wonky to control with the keyboard. Oh! 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 How'd that do you? Oh, okay. It's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Everything's fine. Where's Dr. Salvador? Yeah, he's killing more of them than I am. I'm hitting every button but the button that's telling me to hit. Yucky, yucky. Let's see, what do I got? 10, 5 left? 10 plus 1. Ooh, interesting. Is that open? No? Let's see. Oh! Oh my god, I made it. Thought for sure I would embarrass myself. I mean, I guess I still did. Where's everybody going? To go take a shower? I think like you need it. Cool. Cool camera stuff. Cool camera stuff going on. Let me peach up real quick. Is he gonna say the line? Do I get my Simpsons moment? Bye. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Say the thing. Say the thing. Do it.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Ha! Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright. That was extremely sloppy, but I feel like if I had my controller, it would be a lot easier, but oh, you're welcome. This is, you know, this is a free demo. The game just came out yesterday for me, so I haven't had any time to even play the demo. So I probably will pick this game up. It's probably not news to you by now that the game has really good reviews. I just woke up this morning and checked on it. So hopefully, I mean, from what I've seen, the positivity around it, it's probably more complete than RE3. I did the RE3 playing the demo thing, and I was super jazzed about that. And that part, the demo part of that game, that area was the best part of the game. So hopefully it's not that situation. I don't think it is, because I've already read really positive reviews about it. But I think I am going to pick this up, like, right now. See ya. All right, let me get some more of that peach. Oh, it's so good. How do they make it so good?